Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Golfetti Il Pandoro Classico. So let's just take a look around the outside of the packaging. So in this packaging is a loaf of Golfetti Il Pandoro Classico, and it has a weight of 750 grams. And just taking a look at the details of the paper packaging for this loaf of Golfetti Il Pandoro Classico. Now let's take a look at the bottom or underside of the Christmas styled wrapper. So on the base or underside there is an ingredients list in various languages and other product information for this loaf of Il Pandoro Classico. So giving you a much closer in look at the information or details of the Pandoro Classico. And now let's go ahead and open it up by undoing the red ribbon. And of course, let's untie it if we can. And let's tear the ribbon off. And unwrap the 750 gram loaf of Pandoro. And let's pop off the sachet there, and of course setting the card packaging to the side and giving you a look at this Golfetti Il Pandoro Classico. And now giving you a look at this sachet here. So there is a packet of sugar, right there, giving you a look at the details. So 30-gram packet of, I believe, is sugar, and just setting that down and giving you a look at this 750 gram look of this loaf of Pandoro. You can see that it is wrapped up in a clear plastic bag. Let's go ahead and undo the wire and open up the packet, slide it off. Right there, giving you a look at the loaf of Pandoro, and just resting in my palm to give you some sense of its size. And I can smell the sweet aroma of vanilla. So right there, just setting the white packet or wrapper to the side, clear wrapper to the side, and resting the Pandoro in the middle. So there, giving you a full and clear look at this loaf of Pandoro. And now giving you a much closer in look at the details and the texture and colouring. So you can see it does have a consistent brown color to the Pandoro's crust or outer layer. And once again, this is a 750 gram loaf of Pandoro. And taking a look at the bottom, so you can see once again the details up close of the texture and color of this Pandoro. Now taking a much closer in look, so you can see right there the various details on the top, and of course the grooves or fins making up the sides of the Pandoro. Okay, and of course we have a packet of sugar here. Let's open it up. So containing 30 grams of sugar. Let's tear it open. And giving you a look at the white powdery stuff being sugar. So you can see just how light and white that sugar is. Let's now pour it over the Pandoro like it's snowing, and lovely. So just setting that down, and once again giving you a look overall now at this Golfetti Il Pandoro Classico. And of course, give you another look now with the icing sugar poured over the Pandoro. And let's tear the Pandoro apart. And giving you a look at the insides. So you can see a light yellow color, and of course the edges or crust with the darker brown make up the outside of the Pandoro. And now let's go ahead and taste it. So just tearing the top part, and let's eat it. So really moist yet chewy at the same time, with a slight firmness to it, but of course I did peel off a big chunk. Let's tear off a smaller piece and let's dab it in a bit of the icing sugar. Of course giving you a look up close, of course, right there. And let's taste it. So it's soft and slightly dense at the same time, with a very consistent flavor and with a very smooth but sweet icing sugar taste to go with the Pandoro. And of course giving you a look at the other part of the Pandoro right there. So that's the Golfetti Il Pandoro Classico. Thanks for watching and happy eating!